guy is tailgating me hard. God, dope car though. I mean, speed limit's 30 miles an hour here, so I don't really. Oh, he's going for it. No chance. I'm sorry, buddy. You're not passing me. Just got Max pizzled on a pass. Make sure I'm going nice and easy. Gotta be careful here. Speed limits 50 miles an hour. I'm going about 50. He's going for it again.
T-U-R-P-L. Right into the cloud. This is how we go. T-U-R-P-L. Let me take control.
God, he caught me in the wrong
gear. Oh, this guy's hauling now. Now he's moving, dude. Definitely not going the speed limit. Oh, now you're slowing down, huh? Now he's egging me on or something. Being a puss on this turn. Driving a Type R, can't take a turn. Oh, 40 mile per hour turn. He's falling into this one. No corner exit though. Oh, okay. Okay, you're on something. Oh, wow. He went into this one fast. Catching me off guard. Lucky Chucky. You're lucky, Arkansas. 4299. Hey, you ain't that lucky. God! The spike ain't picking up. Short shift. Not enough power. God! This third gear just doesn't do it for me. Hit it! Holy! Yeah! That thing can move. Woo-wee. There's rock. Nothing. There's no way I'm clutching that up. Gotta watch out for rocks. Can't crack another GoPro lens. Alright. We got Dalton and Brandon here. He's back from his injury, from his crash. After totaling his bike, he got a brand new Civic Type R. So he said, screw it, if I can't ride, I'm getting a badass Civic. And that's what he did, so look at this thing. Carbon fibered out, Brembo brake pads, low profile tires. He's got the cast on. Still injured, still ready to rip. If his parents are watching, hello. Evidently they saw the last video and they're like, well, you're not going to catch him with another FZ07, so here's a Type R Civic. Yeah, can't lay down a bike, true? I mean, lay down a car. Well, maybe you can. We'll find out. It's a brutally raw vlog. There's Brandon, he's chilling. Alright. It's boasting 300 horsepower. Maxy R6 boasting about 200 horsepower. To the wheel, maybe more with the nitrous. Raw launch on rocks. Kick them off. Alright, let's go, boy. Oh, you want me to lead? No, you gotta, I'll tell you where to go. He's ready. How's that cam doing? Oh, it's fresh. You might have to close that window. Alright, so you're taking a left right after the hospital. Right, left. Right, left. Right, left. Right, then left. Alright, let's go. Alright, then you're taking a left. Right here on 336 West. Alright, go slow initially. We gotta do it. We gotta do a little, this is like my dream cream right here. Get a little go with the Type R and the R6. I have no stabilization on, so it might look a little more intense. You gotta give Brandon and Dalton a shout out. What? Oh, we'll tap the black button and switch it to video. Get out where it's a little warmer, man. It's chilly in the shade. I mean, you guys can't make it this easy. Alright. You're gonna have to, if you see an oncoming car though, slow down. It might be a cop. Let me see you go.